Welcome. In front of me I have REALME 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can switch on this smartphone. At the first you have to tap and hold the power key that you can find on the right edge of this smartphone. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. When you feel vibration and see the REALME logo, you can release that key. And now just wait a little bit until your smartphone turns on. And as you can see, after a few moments, we can finally use our smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.